Okay, so we're on a mission to kill a bee's nest.
Hunter, they're inside.
It's right there. How do they get in there?
Through the holes, I guess.
I don't know. Don't spray that.
Not yet.
So we're on a mission and we're looking pretty great.
Especially
Shut up, puddles. We just went swimming too, that's why we're all in our bathing suits and stuff now.
Okay, hit it with the board from here and just smush it. Wait, we have to do it dead on. Do it dead on.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
The board won't fit. I'm afraid
Just stop it!
Why? Just smush it.
Run! I was ready to set my house too. I wore running shoes. My blister is getting worse. Also, I just like my shirt. Walk around.
You didn't spray it.
I know. You just ran.
Spray it now just in case there's one inside.
I was fully up the street and you guys were just down there. Well, there was no bees coming, but just in case, you know. He's walking down the street. Well, mission
I look
accomplished.
like a nun. You look like a
Harry Potter.
like a weird priest or something.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter, guys. I look like Harry Potter, apparently. Mission accomplished.
Spray it, Hunter, just in case there's something in it.
It was a spider. Spider. Dead. Mission accomplished. There wasn't anyone in there. I know, because I sprayed it earlier. I got the side of the mailbox. So you can see all the wet. Well, yeah, see right here.
Oh wow, Hunter, what's the line?
Because what happened is...
Mission accomplished!
I was over here.
Spray in that spot and make sure they don't come back.
And I'm just like...
I didn't mean that much, but that works too.
Mission accomplished, guys.